Digital accessibility has a transformative impact on people's lives. Village Wi-Fi, a Government of Gujarat's rural Wi-Fi project, is a big digital initiative. Inspired by the grand vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, Village Wi-Fi aims to empower rural people with high-speed internet access. Height 8 Technologies, a global provider of Wi-Fi SMP and centralized core software solutions, has been an integral part of this project. Height 8 has implemented its Wi-Fi SMP that provides reliable and scalable Wi-Fi connectivity for the benefit of over 2 million rural people in 8,000 villages across 22 districts in Gujarat, ensuring a secure Wi-Fi internet experience for the users. This enables wireless and wired broadband penetration in Gujarat, bringing in digital parity between the state's rural and urban areas. People from delineated villages under the project can access the Wi-Fi services using the captive portal through OTP-based authentication. With an all-in-one subscriber management platform, the solution enables the operator to manage user data seamlessly. The self-service portal, chatbot and mobile app to bring a full range of customer care services. A scalable bandwidth management to ensure effective usage by all hotspot users. As a project, Village Wi-Fi represents the very essence of Make in India. The project illustrates perfect utilization and monetization of BharatNet's fiber optic network for broadband installations at households and Wi-Fi at public spaces. Gujarat leads other Indian states in implementing BharatNet Phase 2 projects. Village Wi-Fi has extremely efficient implementation from GTPL and open source and Make in India products from Quantum Networks. For the last mile high-speed broadband connectivity, this revolutionary initiative will engage village-level entrepreneurs. Height 8 has implemented partner management system with BSS and OSS, simplifying tracking of revenue sharing between VLEs and the service provider. Village Wi-Fi opens up the whole world for villagers. With the number of total subscribers standing at 4 lakhs and daily users reaching 13,000 so far, the project is truly life-changing for them. From seeking employment, communicating with people on social media and doing monetary transactions, to availing citizen-centric services, connecting better with Panchayat offices, downloading Aadhaar cards, generating birth and death certificates, accessing to land records and many more. The world is now at their fingertips. Village Wi-Fi is a great journey of connecting the rural Gujarat with the world. Gujarat continues to effectively utilize and leverage on its centrally connected fiber optic network assets. Gujarat is strengthening the Digital India story by creating new capabilities and providing new services. Let's connect the whole world together.